Welcome back to the channel, Crypto Farm Community. Today we're going to be diving down into a brand new hot NFT collection that I have to admit that I really love the artwork. Not only that, you guys, but there is a low amount of NFTs that can be minted, which means that these are going to be super rare. So today we're going to be diving down into Zeitaku Dragonz. If you guys will, be sure that you follow them, especially here on Twitter. You can see that they currently have a total of about 860 followers, and they recently joined in January, so only a few months ago. So it states bringing 2,222 dragons to the CNFT space. ZeitakuDragonz.com, which we're going to take a look at here in just a few moments, and the art is inspired by Broyuku. So ladies and gentlemen, get a look at this. I have to admit that yes, these are pixeled, but I love this artwork, you guys. I love the characteristics. I love the colors. I love everything. I love all the different traits that they provide here whenever it comes to this project. If we continue to the downside, whenever it comes to their first tweet, it states right here, this was posted on May 19th, that the drop date is going to be on the 21st. So obviously this is already done. So the price is only 52 ADA. You guys, 52 Cardano. Cardano sitting at like what? 45, 50 cents at this moment. This is super cheap, you guys. Super cheap. So drop time, obviously this has already happened. Okay. So winning is always good, but winning a free Zeitaku Dragon, especially with Harry Weirdo, is just awesome. Thank you guys so much. You guys, I love this project. I love it. I love it. So let's go ahead and let's actually go ahead and dive right into the website and see what it's about. So it states right here, Zeitaku Dragonz. You guys can see we have the home, we have the roadmap, and we got the team. They also have a Discord. We'll talk more about that here in just a few moments. So main mint is live. Well, obviously this has already happened. It states that you can mint multiple per TX and send multiples of 52 ADA to the address below. Do not send from an exchange. Use supported wallets such as Eternal, Yuri, Nami, and others. All right, so if you guys would like to, be sure that you copy the address. This is the address right here. Okay, be sure that you copy it. If we continue down, price obviously 52 ADA. Supply 2,147. So this means that people are already buying this up, you guys. Already buying it up. All right, it states time to mint 72 hours, win May 21st. So obviously this has already been done. We got a button right here, states join Discord. We'll talk more about that here in just a few moments. So it states that Zeitaku Dragonz, inspired by Broyuku Dragons, Zeitaku Dragonz is a collection of 2,222 unique and majestic dragon NFTs on the Cardano blockchain. Our vision is to bring a refreshing and unprecedented art style to Cardano. Diving down into the roadmap, we got phase number 1. So obviously we got going public, we got whitelist presale, we got public mint. So opening our doors to the public and spreading the word about our project and its amazing community. Opening a whitelist for early Zeitaku Dragonz supporters that will grant them access to the whitelist only presale, which will have a supply of 75 and mint price of 46 ADA. So obviously whoever got in here obviously got a discount to buy about what, $2, $3, $4, which is good. Public mint, obviously this has already been done. It states May 21st and will last 72 hours. The supply is currently sitting at 2,147 dragons and the mint price is 52 ADA. Whitelist members will be able to place and mint orders a day before. Then we got phase number 2, which is rarity tools. We will invest services such as CNFT.tools, so you can browse through the whole collection with additional statistics. And we got staking. So after the public mint, you will be able to earn passive income by staking the wallet containing your dragons to our pool of choice. We got Tiger Pool, which will be dropping 65% of royalties to holders' wallets. How much you earn scales. How many dragons do you have? Well, obviously the more dragons, the better. Then after that, we got phase number 3, which is marketing plus community contests. So we will hold bi-weekly community contests such as floor sweeping contests and delisting contests to keep the floor high and secure value of liquidity in Dragons. On top of that, more marketing pushes and community building will be made to build a volume on the market and maintain royalties. If we continue to the downside, obviously they got an email, then they got their Twitter, and then they got the Discord. So if you guys are not part of this project, you should definitely be part of it. If we take a look, you guys can see for the Discord, all you gotta do is click on continue. Make sure you verify. Going to be very, very, very important. So if we go ahead and take a look here, I have already verified on my other app, but we can go to general. You guys can see that there's a lot of stuff going on here. We got rules, we got announcements, we got whitelist, we got the FAQ. So if you have any questions, be sure to check this out. Like, do dragons have utility? What is the total supply? What are the plans and burning mechanisms over the supply plans? Under what network mint price? How can we be assured it is not a rug? Well, our members have worked already established Cardano projects and have been part of the community for a long time. Our mint dev, Tiger Pool, has already helped many projects successfully mint, and with his tested and proven mint mechanisms, you can find more for each member of the website under the team tab. So I like that, you guys. We got official links, we got sneak peeks. So I like these dragons, you guys. As I stated, I like these a lot. I love the characters, I love the colors, I love everything that they have to provide. Remember, there's only a total of 2,222. Technically, there's only 2,147 now. So a lot of information here, you guys. A lot of information. So make sure you guys are part of this project. If you guys have any comments, I would definitely leave them to the downside, okay? So yeah, go check this out. Make sure you're following them, especially here on Twitter, but most importantly, follow them on Discord, okay? So you guys need to be up to date on the latest announcements, you guys. It's only 52 Cardano. 52 Cardano, all right? And that is it. So if you guys are curious, you know, like for 52 Cardano, you can actually click on calculator and it will pop up here in just a few moments. But you guys can see if we go like by 50 cents times 52, you guys will see, boom, 26 bucks. You guys, 26 bucks. Low, this is a low supply NFT collection. All right, so go check it out. If you guys have any questions, please feel free to leave them down below. Other than that, you guys have a wonderful day. We will see you in our next videos, and ciao.